Ever wondered what the difference is between Google Drive, iCloud, Dropbox, OneDrive, and all those other cloud storage platforms? In this video, we'll break down every major cloud storage service, how they work, what makes them different, and which one is actually worth your time and your money. From speed and security to collaboration and AI features, here's the ultimate guide to understanding cloud storage, simplified. In today's world, where photos, videos, and work files are everywhere, cloud storage has become more than just a convenience. It's a necessity. Whether you're backing up family memories or managing business projects, cloud storage keeps everything safe, accessible, and shareable. But with so many options, Google Drive, iCloud, Dropbox, OneDrive, Box, Mega, and more, the question is, which one actually fits you? Let's break down how each service works, what makes it unique, and how to choose the right one for your digital life. At its core, cloud storage is simple. It's your personal hard drive on the internet. Instead of keeping files on one device, you upload them to servers managed by a provider, meaning you can access them from anywhere, on any device, at any time. The main differences between services come down to three things: integration, collaboration, and security. Some clouds are designed for productivity, some for backup, and others for privacy. Understanding which one you need can save you money and frustration. Let's start with Google Drive, one of the most popular options on the planet. Drive is built around collaboration. It ties seamlessly into Google Workspace, Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Gmail, making it perfect for students, teams, and businesses. You can create, share, and edit files in real time without downloading anything. The free plan gives you 15 gigabytes shared across Drive, Gmail, and Photos. The downside? Privacy. Since Google scans data for optimization and storage management, it's not the most private option. But for ease of use and sharing, it's hard to beat. Think of Google Drive as the workhorse of cloud storage, fast, flexible, and everywhere. Next, we have Apple iCloud Drive, the quiet but powerful choice for Apple users. iCloud isn't flashy, but it's deeply integrated into iPhones, iPads, and Macs. Your photos, messages, notes, and backups automatically sync across devices, which makes it nearly invisible. You don't even have to think about it. It just works. Apple gives you 5 gigabytes for free, which fills up fast, but paid plans are affordable and scale well. The biggest advantage is privacy. Apple uses end-to-end encryption for sensitive data and doesn't mine your files for data. However, it's not ideal for collaboration outside the Apple ecosystem. So if you live in the Apple world, iCloud is a dream. If you're cross-platform, say, using Windows or Android, it can be clunky. Now, let's talk about Microsoft OneDrive, which sits somewhere between work and personal use. OneDrive is tightly linked to Windows and Microsoft 365, meaning if you use Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, everything syncs automatically. You can share and co-edit documents just like in Google Drive, and your files integrate with Outlook and Teams for business collaboration. The free plan gives 5 gigabytes, but the real value comes with a Microsoft 365 subscription, which includes 1 terabyte of storage plus all the Office apps. OneDrive is reliable, secure, and professional, especially for corporate users. Its encryption and ransomware detection are strong, making it one of the most well-rounded options. Then there's Dropbox, the pioneer of cloud storage. Dropbox popularized file syncing before anyone else. Even today, it's known for speed and reliability. It works across all platforms, has excellent desktop integration, and supports features like Smart Sync, which shows all files without taking up local space. Dropbox is fantastic for creatives, photographers, designers, or editors who need to share large files quickly. Its collaboration tools, like Dropbox Paper and Transfer, make teamwork smooth. However, its free plan offers only 2 gigabytes, and premium plans can be pricey. Still, for performance and simplicity, Dropbox remains a top-tier choice. Another underrated player is Box. While it looks similar to Dropbox, Box focuses more on enterprise-level collaboration and security. It's designed for businesses that need to store confidential files, law firms, healthcare, or corporations that deal with compliance. It integrates with Microsoft, Google Workspace, and even Slack, giving teams flexibility. Box offers detailed admin controls, watermarking, and workflow automation, but it's not as intuitive for individual users. So while Dropbox is for creatives, Box is for companies that take privacy and permissions seriously. If privacy is your number one concern, you've probably heard of Mega. Based in New Zealand, Mega offers end-to-end encryption by default, meaning no one, not even the company, can read your files. It gives a generous 20 gigabytes free plan and options to expand. The catch? Because of its encryption, sharing and previewing files can be a little slower, and if you lose your encryption key, your data is gone forever. Still, for privacy-first users, journalists, researchers, or anyone cautious about corporate data collection, Mega is an excellent choice. Now, if you're someone who wants to automate your backups without thinking about it, consider pCloud or Sync.com. pCloud lets you sync specific folders, stream music, and even back up social media accounts like Instagram or Dropbox itself. It also offers a rare lifetime plan. Pay once, own it forever. Sync.com, based in Canada, combines Mega's privacy with Dropbox usability. It offers end-to-end encryption, clean interfaces, and team features. Both services are hidden gems, less mainstream, but incredibly efficient for people who want control and simplicity. So, how do you choose the right one? It comes down to lifestyle. If you're a student or a small team working across devices, Google Drive or OneDrive is the most balanced choice. If you're deep in the Apple ecosystem, iCloud is unbeatable. If you're creative or business-oriented, Dropbox and Box deliver professional-grade collaboration. And if privacy is non-negotiable, Mega, Sync.com, or pCloud are your best bets. Another factor is cost. Most services range from $2 to $10 a month for 100 gigabytes to 2 terabytes plans. Google and Apple are more consumer-friendly, while Dropbox and Box cater to professionals. The real key is integration. Choose the service that fits the tools you already use. The best cloud isn't the biggest or the fastest. It's the one that feels invisible, that just works when you need it. In the end, cloud storage isn't just about keeping files online. It's about freedom, the ability to move between devices, share across continents, and never worry about losing your digital life. Each service solves that problem in its own way, whether it's Google's speed, Apple's privacy, Microsoft's productivity, or Mega's security. What matters most is trust. Trusting that your data is safe, private, and always there when you need it. And that's what makes the cloud more than just technology. It's your digital home. So next time you upload a file, remember, behind that tiny progress bar is a global network of servers, encryption, and innovation, all working to make sure your world stays connected. That's cloud storage simplified.